Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Kobalt 230 piece. We got this loads and clearance. You know, the holiday packages that they have, the holiday section. They're clearancing everything out. So if you guys want to check out your nearest Lowe's for clearance items, we got this for under 15 bucks. This is a 230 piece drill and drive sets. Let's see here. We got item number 0972152. It's 130 piece. Includes all sorts of bits. It says more popular metric and imperial magnetic nut driver, screwdriver sizes, 14 different style tips, 13 different bits, sizes, virtually any job, quick change adapter included. And see here, that's Spanish. This is the back. It tells you the list of what it includes. Let's see here. Made in China. All right, let's unpackage this. Just slide it out. Looks like a pretty nice case. It's pretty big actually. This is my knife, so that's how big it is. Let's see here, pretty nice case. Kobalt here on the front, and then we got some metal latches here on the front. See if we can break the seal here, because there is a seal. Alright, the seal's broken. Alright, well, right when we open the box, we have some plastic here. We'll see if I can put this back together, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when everything's back together. Alright, I got this back together. Seems to be a pretty giant kit here, giant bit kit. You got several different bits here. You got the squares and the hex here in a section, and then you have the flat heads in another section here, and then you have the Phillips PH3, and you got 3434, and then you got another section here. You got the PH3, PH2, PH2. So you got a whole bunch of bits here. PH1, and it's labeled. Everything's labeled in the plastic too. So these I'm not gonna take out. Yeah, you got all sorts of security bits. Maybe I'll take one out. Security bits. I don't know if you guys could see it there. The one that has a hole in the middle, that's the security bit. You got all the way from T10 to like T40. And then you got H2 to H6. These are the, just like a regular hex with the hole in the middle. And then you got some sort of star here. That's number 8. These are the stars. Then you got some sort of, I don't know what these are, but you got some more bits, random bits here. Then you got the bit holder there. I don't know what this is. Maybe some sort of bit holder. I don't know exactly what this is, but soon find out. You got some more stuff over here. I don't know, haven't used any of that. Then you got some more bits here. You got some star bits, the T25 to T40. Got the hex. smaller hex. You got the squares over here, and some more flat heads. Then you got some a little bit holder there. It's a really nice bit holder with the metal. And then we got another hex here. This is probably for these. Yep, it's for that. I don't know what this is used for, but if you guys know what this is used for, these parts, let me know down in the comments. Since like we got some sort of different sizes, we got 5/16, 1/4, 3/16, and 1/8. Put this back here so I don't lose it. Alright, back in there. And then here on the second or the first, we got some bits. We got 7/64 all the way to 1/4. These are, get these out. Some of these are kind of hard to get out, but these are look like black oxide. Black oxide, and then we got some nut drivers here. We got all the way from 3/16. I don't know if you guys could see it. 3/16, 3/8, all the way. That's standard. Then metric, we got 5 to 10. So 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. And then we got some smaller bits here. And then we got the regular longer bits. Phillips flathead, Phillips, and more Phillips narrow. That's the PH1, PH2, PH3. So that's pretty much the kit. I gotta say, definitely a great deal for $14.98 clearance at Lowe's. Hopefully you guys can still get it. I'll see if I can upload this video ASAP. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.